Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2010 Honda CBR600RR Leyla edition. This bike has just under 21,000 miles on it and is still in excellent condition. Has been down on both sides, but it's all pretty minor. So we'll take a walk around it. I'll show you what we've seen and found, the highlights on it, and then we will fire it up for you. This limited edition production, like I said, overall is still pretty clean looking. Still sharp, really cool looking. Tires on it are in great shape. Plenty of miles left on that front one. Got a few scuffs on the mirror here. It did break the front brake lever off, which we're going to replace. Scraped up the side cover here, along with the bar end a little bit. Tail came unscathed on this side, but I do have a weird little mark here on the passenger seat. It does come with a tank pad, fender eliminator, and aftermarket signals, aftermarket rears. It also has a Two Brothers pipe on it. Back tire as well, still in good shape, got plenty of miles left on that. And again, your fender eliminator. So we've got very light scraping here on the tail on this side, along with some scuffs and some scrapes here on this middle fairing. Bar end as well. And the mirror. This bike also comes with flush mount front signals. So, like I said, even though it's been down on both sides, it's all pretty minimal. And the worst part, that lever, we're going to replace. So, there again, flush mount fronts. $20,962 is what's on it. Got this, you got a little scuff by the gas cap here too. This special edition CBR600RR will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course your accessories. Thank you for shopping Simply Street Bikes.